aliens! Welcome to the last video from the Moodle called Explore Nature. Today, for the lesson number 4, we're going to make the review from the whole vocabulary. So, let's start, guys! Camping, skiing, hiking, kayaking, forest, lake, tent, torch, campfire, gardening, cycling, rafting, bungee jumping, river, mountain, Arctic, countryside, coast, desert, environment, valley, wild, nature, weather. Binoculars, headlamp or flashlight, first aid kit, a sleeping bag, thermos, hiking stick, compass, whistle, rope, camping car. For the grammar part, we're going to start with the lesson number 1. Remember, we talk about preference and places. Let's see one example. Where can we go to kayaking? We can go kayaking on the lake. For the lesson number 2, we talk about future plans. Let's see one example. Will we go gardening tomorrow? Yes, we will go gardening tomorrow in the countryside. Let's remember the lesson number 3. We talk about the elements that we need when we go to camping. For example, we need a torch when we go camping. And that's all, guys. So don't forget to practice at home, subscribe to the YouTube channel, and like this video. See you the next Moodle. Bye-bye, aliens!